बढ़िया। Hey everyone, what's going on? I hope you all are doing good. I'm Simar and I welcome you all to another video on this channel. Well, me and my friend, right in front of me, we are going for a small ride. And I'm riding this KTM RC 390 and he is riding my Gixxer. Let me just get close to him and let me show you how beautiful that bike is looking. I haven't shot a full cinematic video of it as of now. I still have to do it, but I'm not able to find time for it. Anyways, I'll let you know once I do it. Anyways, so the agenda for today is we are going for a small coffee ride just outside Delhi. There's a Tibetan colony. I'll let you know the place where that place is, and we are just going over there to have a small chat, have a coffee and plan our next rides. So yeah, that's the agenda for today, and I thought why not just document this, because there are a few things that I wanted to talk with you guys. Those things are the 2021 goals that I have set for this channel and for me. So I'll start walking you through those goals. Let me just get past this traffic and I'll share those goals. Okay, so talking about the goals for 2021, the first goal is more videos. What a surprise, right? Anyways, yeah, so the first goal is to create more videos. Now when I say more videos, I'm not talking about daily vlogs. I'm not talking about just making small videos just to show you what I'm doing in day-to-day life. The main aim of this channel is to stick around with motorcycles and cars. So let me tell you the vision I have for this channel. The main vision that I have for this channel is to be centric around I would say automotive world. So automotive world, when I say it, I mean bikes, cars and all sort of automotive things. That includes tech automotive as well. So yeah, those are the first things that I have for this channel, and I'll be reviewing more gears, and I'll be reviewing more bikes, riding more bikes and all of those good things. So talking about the second goal, the second thing that I have planned for this channel. Before I tell you the second thing, let me first tell you what is the one major thing that I enjoyed the most in the last year when I started this channel. When I started this channel in 2020, around September or so, the one thing that I enjoyed the most was build series. That was one thing that made me more deeply connect with my audience, my channel, the vision that I have for this channel and all the sort of good stuff. So the build series was one of those things that I will be doing again this year. Now that will not be on this particular bike, the Gixxer that I currently own. That is not going to be on this bike again. For the build series, I have planned to buy another bike. Now when I say I plan to buy another bike, I have already mentioned that I am going to get a new bike. Well, that new bike is not going to be the part of a build series. That new bike is only going to be an upgrade to what I currently own. So yeah, that is the second thing, a new build series, another build series on this channel. The bike that I'm gonna get for this build series, I'll let you know what that bike will be. I still don't know, but yeah, that is the second thing. Okay, so talking about the third thing is going to be more motor vlogs. So when I say more motovlogs, I really do mean more interaction with you guys. Now, in order to be more interactive, you need to have a good story around that vlog. Now, I really do not want to bore you guys, because I know no one sticks around for that long in a video where the guy is just talking and riding a bike. I really do want to make the motovlogs interactive in such a way that you enjoy it, you learn from it, and I really do connect with you people more. So in order to do that, I'm planning to upgrade, invest into this channel. I'm planning to get a new camera, so that I can set that camera in such a way that when I'm talking with you guys while riding a bike, you guys can feel that you are with me as a pillion, riding with me on a journey or whatever it is. So I'm trying to figure out a way to do that. But yeah, that is one thing that I'm planning to do on this channel very soon. So in order to make more motovlogs, more story time, I need your inputs. I will make few more vlogs wherein I will share some of the stories that I have, and I want to know your input on that. When I say your input, I mean I want to know whether you guys liked it or not, whether you guys enjoyed it or not, because then only it's feasible and I would say worthy for me to make good videos around it. So that is the third thing. So the fourth goal that I have for this channel is to do more road trips. Now, in order to do more trips, I would be very honest with you guys. I need to have a good bike. I really can take my Gixxer around anywhere that I can. I really trust that bike. But when you have a better bike, a good bike, you are more confident. So yeah, that is one of the things that I have to do in this year. So I'll talk more with you guys, but first let me just get to the location where we are headed to, and I'll share what all other things that I have planned for this year, for 2021. Okay, so we are done with all the coffee and all the evening snacks and everything. The food was good. The restaurant that the place that you saw in the cinematic videos, it was Aruna Nagar, and the cafe that we came here for was TD Cafe. So if you wanna come here, you just need to check for Majnu Ka Tila Gurdwara, because the Aruna Nagar is right behind the Majnu Ka Tila Gurdwara in Delhi NCR. I don't know if this is Delhi NCR or it's outside Delhi. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, it's just behind the Majnu Ka Tila Gurdwara. Apart from that, the food was really amazing. It was basically a Tibetan restaurant, and I just need to take a U-turn first. So yeah, it was basically a Tibetan restaurant, and if you haven't tried the Tibetan cuisine, then I think it is worth giving a try. The food was good, thukpa was good, and if you want to come here, I would suggest you to come with a group, your friends or anyone, your partner, and have fun of the Tibetan cuisine. It's amazing actually. Apart from that, now we are just headed back home. We are done with the discussions of the next ride as well, so I'm hoping to do a long trip in this year. Many long trips, but the first long trip will be maybe after this farmer protest ends, and then we'll do a small road trip. So yeah, this was the main motive of me going out for a ride today. Firstly, to share all the goals that I have for this year, that all the goals that I have planned for this year, and secondly, to plan the next rides. And so far we are done with all the discussions, and I think it was a good meet. And now it's just a matter of hitting the highway and getting back home. Oh, Vaheguru Satnam Ji. This is the Majnu Ka Tila Gurdwara, and if you want to come to this place, the place is actually Aruna Nagar. This is right behind the Majnu Ka Tila Gurdwara. So just come to the Majnu Ka Tila Gurdwara, and it will the Aruna Nagar is right behind it. So yeah, apart from that, the ride was good. We have planned the next ride as well, and now it's just a matter of hitting the highway and going back home. So yeah, if you like the video, you know the drill. A thumbs up would be appreciated, and actually I never say you to subscribe to my channel. The main reason behind that is I believe that if the videos are good, if the content, I don't want to say the word content, but yeah, if the videos are good, then you will definitely subscribe. That is what I think. Let me know by hitting the subscribe button if I am saying it correct or not. Anyways, I'm gonna close this video now here, and as always, let nothing hold you back in life, and always keep moving forward. And I'll see you in the next one. Now I'm just gonna get fueled up and go back home.